This is a new 2015 Ford F-150. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, split rear seats, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ed Carney Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 189 Route 10, East Hanover, New Jersey, 796